Hi, good afternoon, very good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good, thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Are you Indian? Okay, I'm from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Wow, wow. Then is he a student or he is working with you? What? Okay, okay. Wow. Then are you born and raised in Punjab or are you from different state within India? Okay, but right now you both are friends, right? Oh, yeah. I don't do anything. I'm unemployed and I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. What about you? Are you a student? Are you a student? Are you a student? Oh, okay. Are you working in your state or are you working in different state within India? Okay. Then how long have you been working in there? Okay, more than 5 years. Okay, that's good. What's your qualification? Okay. Right now you are doing business, right? Not business, you are working in marketing department, right? Okay. Right. Marketing is a business, right? Because you are learning, selling, marketing, right? You have to learn how to attract customer. You have to learn how to communicate with them. You have to learn to make them understand your product, right? Otherwise, how you get a target customer? You always observe in target customer, right? And after that you grow your business and your business owner because provide a promotion if that business grows according to you, right? Definitely they help you and increase your salary, increase your facility inside office if that business grow through your marketing, right? And market, one type of means tough people, they lose their confidence, right? Through marketing, because you always get a demotivate through marketing. People, they deny to get product. You make them understand properly, right? Advantage, disadvantage. Advantage, you people never tell disadvantage, you tell only advantage. How will they get benefit if they purchase that product, right? Yeah, otherwise it is not an easy task, right? It is so tough. Marketing, selling, and product, that is so tough. That is called business, right? Then do you do any kind of online business? Online? Do you do online? Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Garment, you are doing in there in marketing, right? Marketing. Oh, garment, Garment business is a good business, right? Because never you lose your means benefit. You always get a profit and profit day by day because you get putting to people choice in clothes. Garment business is a good. Never lose your product. Never you lose your product. You always get anytime you can sell anytime any product any season, right? Well, they demand business in India. You know, India has copy paste business, but all business are running well, right? Because if you do properly, if you have good communication, if you have good attitude, behavior with customer, you first of all we have to develop that listening power, right? First of all, you listen there because marketing, what marketing? You solve the problem of customer, right? You don't listen, if you don't have patience to listen their words, what they want to take, what they want to purchase, right? After that, make them understand about your product, right? That's why some business, they are decoration is a so tough inside office, right? But no one customer they are in, they don't want to go there due to their employee behavior, attitude. They don't ready to listen, means that customer word, right? They tell in a negative way. That's why some business collapse within short period. That's why business owner they always, if you um, if that is a tough, but it is not a impossible, right? Anyone can they learn. Right now you are doing that means marketing department, then you have enough knowledge about it, how to treat them, right? And if you know which customer purchase or which customer always come there to window shopping, they only see about everything and they go back, right? Because we have a different type of customer, right? High means people they want to purchase in quality product. Some people they want to purchase in low product, but quality is good and cost also in affordable, cheap, right? This type means business is a so good to everyone should know about business, right? In their life, because if you complete your graduation, if you don't get any kind of job, any department or government or private or anything, then anyone can they set up their business, right? If have a small amount, then they can set up their business and they can learn through customer, right? If they don't, pardon.